welcome to another video from NBK-Design. My name is Annika, one of the creative team member from NBK-Design. The products you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. We have this beautiful calendar sheet from NBK-Design and we already did our cover, and then now we start with the January. And if you zoom in a little bit, Control and plus, and I will clip this into, and you can see we have this cyan color here. The words are in cyan, and Control Command 0, we see the whole layer again. And I will use the January collection for this calendar sheet and will first add a paper. And now you can see we have this violet paper and the cyan here, and I think this doesn't match very well, and this is why I want to change the color of this cyan. Make the layer active and go to Select and Color Range, and now you can select here the colors. So in this case it's very simple because it's cyan, and click OK. If you get this message, click OK. And now we will add an adjustment layer, hue and saturation, and we colorize this, and now we can change the color. So I think this is much better. Yes, let's zoom in, Control and plus, and I think this is better than the cyan. Can work with the saturation and with the light and find the perfect color for you, and I think this is fine for me. Control Command 0. You can do your calendar with your own personal photos, of course, and I will start here with a word art. And I think Be More Grateful is a nice start into the year. And I will add just a word art, nothing more, no photo. And let's see if we have some artsy bits. I will create my calendar also more clean and simple, and because I like this. But of course, it's always your personal, no, not this, decision, how you want to have your calendar. This is just an inspiration. And let's add this. So perhaps a flower, Shift, and you can minimize your elements. And then I will add this clip here, and I have my shadows saved in the library here, and I always use the same shadow most of the time. Shadow is fine. If not, you can go to the drop shadow here, double click, and you can change your shadow at any time, but most of the time my shadow is fine and I don't need to edit it. And let's go to the tags and add some paper pieces. Again, my shadow. Put it under the clip. Yes, something like this. And let's add a brush. We have brushes here, and let's add this one. Let's add it here. Okay. And this is my first calendar sheet for January, and if you want to make again a personal note here, you can do this, and that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next month on February. Bye!